Hello students, today we are going to study class 6th math chapter number 11 algebra. Okay, now the topic is the idea of variable. In the above example, we found a rule to give the number of matchsticks required to make a pattern of else. So in the previous lecture we have studied, we have formed the rule to make a pattern of else. So rule was the number of matchsticks required is equal to n. So here this n is the number of else in the pattern n takes value. So n has values 1, 2, 3, dash, dash, dash. So here we can say that n is a variable. N is a variable means n have different values. N have different values, so n is a variable. So n is an example of a variable. Its value is not fixed because its value change, so its value is not fixed. It can take any value 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash. We wrote the rule for the number of matchsticks required using the variable n. We have made the rule for the number of matchsticks required using the value n. The word variable meaning something that can vary or change. Now here n is a variable. Now what is variable? Variable here is that something that can vary or change. The value of value is not fixed. Variable's value is not fixed. It have different values. It can take different value. So it was all about the variable. So variable have different values. So we write variable in small letters of English alphabet. For example, we can write n here. We can write also a. We can write z. We can write x. We can write y. These are all the symbols of variable. So here is one may use any letter. For example, I have said that one may use any letter of English alphabet. For example, M, L, P, X, Y, Z, etc. as variable to show variable. Remember, a variable is a number which does not have a fixed value. So we have studied about that. Variable is a number which has not a fixed value. Variable can change. For example, the number 5, the number 100 or any other given number is not a variable. So the constant number, for example 5, 2, 3, 4, these are not variables, these are constants. They have a fixed value. Similarly, the number of angles of a triangle have a fixed value 3. So it's not a variable. The number of corners of quadrilateral is 4, which is fixed, so it's now not a variable. But n is the example we have looked in a variable. For example, we can use n in age. For example, a person's age can be changed, is changing, so we can use their variable. Okay, variable is a number which changed, which have not a fixed value. So thanks. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.